It's Friday evening. John and his friend Emma go to a restaurant for dinner. They are both hungry after a long day at work. When they arrive, the waiter greets them and says, "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?" John answers, "Yes, for two, under the name John." The waiter smiles and shows them to a table near the window. They look at the menu. There are many delicious options: pasta, chicken, fish, and salad. Emma says, "Everything looks so good. What are you going to order?" John thinks for a moment and says, "I'll have the grilled chicken with rice." Emma says, "I'll try the pasta with tomato sauce." The waiter comes back and takes their order. While they wait, John and Emma talk about their plans for the weekend. The restaurant is cozy, with soft music playing in the background. When the food arrives, it smells wonderful. Emma says, "This looks amazing." They both enjoy their meal and share a dessert, chocolate cake. After dinner, John asks for the check. The waiter brings it and says, "Did you enjoy your meal?" John smiles. "Yes, everything was perfect. Thank you." They leave the restaurant happy and satisfied, ready for a relaxing evening.